Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel MTB Official. I'm so glad you're here to join me on this journey. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our adventures. Now, let's dive into today's exciting experience. As I leave Tajrish and make my way toward Darband, the road begins to gently climb upward. This stretch sits at the foothills of the Alborz Mountains, and the rising elevation is immediately noticeable. The air feels fresher, the mood calmer. The neighbourhood along the way is peaceful today, with very little traffic, making the drive smooth and relaxing. Ahead of me, the mountain stands tall, its peak lightly dusted with snow, catching the soft glow of the evening light. It's a breathtaking sight, one that instantly slows everything down. The cost of a snap taxi ride from Tajrish to Darband in Tehran is typically around 140 tomans to 300 tomans, which is approximately 0.3 to 0.7 USD at current exchange rates. For the most accurate fare estimate, it's recommended to check the Snap app at the time of your ride. After arriving in Darband, I enter through a newly constructed gate, bold and eye-catching, styled like a red fort. The moment I pass through, a wave of excitement and curiosity sets in. There's something about the design. It pulls you in, makes you eager to walk further, to see what lies ahead. Even if you've been here before, this entrance gives it a fresh sense of discovery, like something special is waiting just around the bend. Just a little ahead on the left, I came across the telesiege, a chairlift that carries visitors smoothly uphill and back down. To board it, you first need to reach the boarding platform, which is accessible by a small lift. The telesiege begins at around 1,600 metres above sea level and ascends to about 1,850 metres, offering a stunning aerial view of the trail and surrounding mountains. It's both a shortcut and a scenic ride, especially for those who want to enjoy the view without the hike. Along the way, I noticed a small glass showcase. Quietly tucked to the side. Inside, it displayed mountaineering gear, like ropes, crampons, and helmets. Tools that speak of serious climbs and daring adventures. There were also a few medals and trophies, proudly arranged, perhaps honouring local climbers or past expeditions in the Alborz range. It felt like a tribute to the spirit of the mountains, a reminder that beyond this peaceful trail, these slopes have challenged and inspired many. Before I continue my walk further uphill, let me give you a brief introduction to Darband. This scenic area, nestled at the base of the Alborz Mountains, has long been a beloved escape from the hustle of Tehran. Historically, Darband was known as a mountain village, serving as a gateway for travellers heading toward the higher mountain trails. Over the years, it has evolved into one of Tehran's most popular recreational spots, attracting both locals and tourists alike. Today, it's not just a place for hiking, but a vibrant area with charming cafes, traditional tea houses, and outdoor restaurants that line the paths. Its cool air, lush surroundings, and peaceful ambience make it the perfect getaway from the urban rush. As I continue my walk, I come across a striking brass statue standing tall in the midst of the path. This statue is quite remarkable, its polished surface catching the light as it reflects the surrounding beauty. It seems to be a tribute to something, perhaps a local hero or a symbolic figure of strength and perseverance. The way it stands, almost timeless, reminds visitors of the enduring spirit of those who have explored or conquered these mountains over the years. Darband, once a tranquil village, has evolved into a vibrant neighbourhood within Tehran's Shemaran district. Its rich history dates back nearly 200 years, with its origins tracing to settlers from Talegan who established the area. Today, Darband is home to a diverse community. While many residents have deep roots here, the neighborhood also attracts newcomers, hikers, nature enthusiasts, and those seeking respite from the city's hustle. The area boasts a blend of rustic homes, traditional architecture, and modern establishments, reflecting its dynamic evolution. The presence of historic sites, such as the Zahir Od Dowleh Cemetery and the Shatter Garden, adds to the cultural tapestry of Darband, making it a unique blend of tradition and modernity. What stands out here is that her car is available everywhere, offering the perfect way to relax while enjoying the mountain air. The decor varies from rustic wooden furniture to more modern setups, often with vibrant Persian rugs and floral patterns, creating a welcoming atmosphere.